My name's Tim Spiteri, I'm an ocean rower, and this year I rowed from Geraldton to Seychelles, rowing across the Indian Ocean, setting 2 world records in support for MS Australia. The start of the voyage, we had a couple of hurricanes that, and when I say hurricanes, it's not like what you see on the TV where you get a twister come in and it destroys everything. Hurricanes in the ocean is using the meteorological term, so it's over a certain strength wind. With the big weather that came with the hurricanes in the first 10 days, we got capsized. Basically a computer can't deal with high winds and high strength like that, it just burns out. So myself and the skipper rotated 2 hours on, 2 hours off, hauling ropes. And these ropes, you've got 30 to 40 knot winds pushing you with a 2.5 tonne boat with waves that are 8 to 10 metres. It was hell. We constantly went side on, which is broaching, and we had to pull ourselves back around using a power anchor. A typical day out in the middle of the ocean is atypical of nothing. There is no such thing as typical. The only similarities to every day is that it rolls into one. You sleep for 2 hours, you row for 2 hours, and then you sleep for 2 hours and you row for 2 hours. Absolute consistency of activity doesn't stop. So no matter how tired you are, no matter how much you cannot get up, you do. And everyone's the same. And you just get onto this plane of existence and this continuity of haziness where everything moulds into one. As we're coming into land, the skipper's finally gone, I'll call it, that's land. See that cloud? That's not moving, that's because it's land. We'd actually made it and our friends and family were there to meet us. We'd survived. A couple of days later, I didn't even know what world records we'd broken because it wasn't about that. It was about facing adversity, overcoming the challenges and experiencing the journey. It was magical. For those that are out there that are struggling every day, whether it be living with MS, whether it be just in personal life, know that you can actually achieve and do anything you can. Anything you want to do, all you have to do is start it. Start the beginning of the journey and have faith and persevere and you will achieve it. Whether it be getting up from your seat and getting a drink of water, or whether it be rowing an ocean. Take the dream, remember the destination is important, but experience the journey. That's why we're here.